giving you trouble, huh?
Yeah, this one clips on. There we go.
God
There we
sent
go.
along to help you out, Eddie.
There you go.
I'll throw that away, sir.
Yes, ma'am. Here you go.
Uh-huh. Oh, you're even younger than my daughter. She's almost 40.
Really?
Yeah. And she had babies at 16. She's a great-grandmother already, and I'm a great-great-grandma already.
Alright guys, so that's how you install wiper blades in your Toyota Tacoma. So like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for more updates. As always, I will.